Right, these are mental. These are crazy. I've never seen anything like it.
I'm scared to open the box. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, Nick's back. Lots of you always ask for Nick to be in videos, so yeah, they always ask you to be in videos.
Stop.
So I've forced him to come back. We're filming a video for you today where Nick has chosen some outfits for me.
Easy.
What did you choose?
A load of stuff. It ended up with me just buying you stuff. It was just pressing by. I couldn't decide. They're mainly formal with a hint of casual.
Right, okay, what I asked for was 2 summer outfits, summer daytime, and 2 summer evening outfits.
That's what I've got, yeah. But extra.
But lots
A little bit extra.
I wanted one that you think you'd like to see me in,
and
one that's my style for summer daytime, and the same for summer
They're kind of
evening.
both the same though.
Right, okay, I'm just go for it. Just give me something. Give me a daytime
summer casual
that you think I would like to wear.
You would like, okay. Don't look.
Okay.
Here we go.
You got something?
So I went for a summery playsuit.
That's interesting colour palette.
I like it. Is this
was...
what I like?
No, this is meant to be what I like.
We've switched it.
Okay, this is what you'd like to see me in.
I not really. No, I've changed it up. Listen, I couldn't decide, so I've gone for stuff that I've never really seen you in before, but that I also would like the look of as well.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's got a little play suit. What am I putting with it?
You're gonna put with it this very swanky pair of shoes.
I'm scared to open the box.
These are normal though. They won't be as bad as last time. I promise.
Are you sure?
Very bit.
Hey, they look quite cute. So these are from River Island.
Yeah. Real skin.
Cute. We've got little white
like snakeskin
heels with little gold detailing.
Yeah.
Okay.
White goes with everything. Easy.
White goes with everything. So, but I wouldn't say they were casual. If I'm going down the beach.
No.
If I'm going down the beach in my little place.
No, I checked.
These aren't casual.
No, I checked. They are. And you've got also a handbag.
Okay.
Shh.
Nice little River Island handbag.
Maybe the shoes aren't.
Shoes don't quite match. You can't really see that on camera, but they're different whites.
So you match your handbag with your shoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you match the whole outfit, don't you?
Yeah, but I mean,
the whole outfit has to match.
I don't match my wallet with me. Undies.
But you put your wallet in your pocket.
Just get it out sometimes, and when I get it out, people see it. People see that one. People know.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
These cute, but very, very fancy. I don't know how this is casual.
It's casual.
In any way whatsoever. Okay.
And
my casual outfit that isn't casual.
And a little accessory.
And a little
bracelet.
This is really cute.
This one.
Well, do you know what's very random? That one strip
of
brown.
Gold, I didn't see that.
Why is that on there? Is that a mistake?
That could be a mistake.
Because, I mean, the rest of it just...
No, there's one here as well.
That's the same one.
No, it's not.
Oh, no, it's not. Okay, fair enough. Well, okay. So that's outfit 1.
A bit like festival-y, this.
Okay. Okay, so like Coachella-y vibes.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, maybe I'm going to Coachella. I'm not. I think it's already finished.
Again, the shoes are going to be a big letdown.
Sunglasses. Oh, you got mine. Nick! Oh, my feet hurt. Right, so we've got a pair of sunglasses.
Yeah. You having that?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do they actually protect you from UV? I mean,
no.
I can see straight through them. Yeah, actually, it says on there.
If anything,
UV
it lets more in.
It says there UV protection.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so we've got a Hollister top.
Yeah,
I love Hollister tops.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
You like that, yeah?
Yeah, I like this a lot.
Okay, so we're going to go...
So I've got this with my sunnies.
Would you like something to go on the bottom half of your body?
Yes,
I
please.
can arrange that.
Okay, we've got some shorts.
It's a risk.
He's got a pair of denim shorts.
Yeah.
And another pair of denim shorts.
So I like both the colour.
And stuck them together. Do you know what? Actually, holding them up, they don't look that bad.
They're good.
Boom. Look at this. What am I wearing on my feet?
Wow. We'll get to that.
Okay,
Because
what? I've got something else.
More important question is, what are you wearing on your wrist?
Okay. Haven't I already got this one? This is very similar to the one that I've got.
Have you?
I think this might even be the one that I've got.
Oh, that's what I was thinking. I'll get you one like that. But have I got the same one?
I don't know.
Do you like it though?
I do like it a lot.
Well, that's done then, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think I've already got it. Okay, and what's going on my feet?
Right, these are mental.
Okay.
I could not buy them because they were mental.
Okay, I'm scared.
Yeah. This is definitely something you wear to the
scared.
festival.
Go on.
Or, I don't know, if you were like an elf. Think festival. They're good! Stick those on your feet. They look like little planets.
Right. I don't
Orbiting
know.
your ankle.
I don't think this is quite my style, but I will try them on for you.
Yeah, they're pretty
Very
bad,
interesting.
Pretty bad.
What is it with you and shoes? Why can't you get me nice, normal shoes?
I've gone for a risk again.
Oh my gosh.
But it's daytime. It's
Okay.
daytime summery. Like playsuit.
That is
It's outrageous,
not
isn't
even
it?
picking up on camera. It's so
outrageous.
bright.
It was a bargain. £6 this was.
It was £6. It's quite soft and...
It's got.
Right, okay.
Yeah. I like to see you in that.
Okay, so we've got like a... It's kind of like a cord.
Yeah.
But connected at the centre by a belt strap.
And I've got you something else as well.
Is this to go with this?
No, it's separate to that.
Oh my gosh!
another-
Nick, did you just put stuff in the basket?
Yeah.
I
but
gave you a challenge. The challenge was to get me
the others are
4
fine.
outfits.
The others are fine.
It was to get me 4 outfits. What have you done?
There, you've got there's 2 there. I'm just.
Yeah, but what's this?
I just threw a little bit of extra on. Okay, I'll give you shoes then.
Hey, give me the shoes.
These are crazy. I've never seen anything like it. I had to get them. I've seen stuff like it, but they go
They just go all the way up.
all the way up.
Blimey. Right, okay. So Nick has got me some sandals. Go all the way back up my leg.
They go all the way up.
Now, I'm assuming my leg goes through this.
Yeah, yeah. You put your leg through the zip, look.
Strap
No.
around
You
her leg.
put your leg on the back of that and they just tie around it.
Because what would the point of that decoration be if it
I'll
didn't?
just if that's on the heel, it looks like it goes on the back of your leg. See, it was kind of a puzzle as well. That's why I got it for you. Nice little playsuit.
Okay. Do you know what? This might actually go better with the white shoes than what you've given me.
Okay.
This looks like this will go better with the white shoes. That's quite cute.
It's alright that.
Is it a playsuit? It's a dress,
No, it's
isn't
a
it?
dress, yeah. Bodycon. But I go well with the white
Right,
shoes.
Okay. Yeah, I think I might just... Yeah, that would look a
Try
lot
that
nicer
one on
with the
now.
white shoes. Evening casual.
Yeah.
Okay.
To be honest, it is formal as well, but it's a crossover.
Okay. So it's smart casual.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very confident.
Why?
Very confident.
Why are you so confident?
Because you've got something very similar to it.
Have I?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Kind of.
No, I definitely haven't.
It's different to what I.
So it's a dress.
Yeah.
And it's got long sleeves and they're lace and they're soft lace, not itchy lace. And it's high neck.
And I'm right. You don't put white shoes with white dresses, do you?
Not, you could,
But you don't.
but you haven't.
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I've got opposite to that.
You've got black.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that could work.
And I've got another little handbag as well.
Okay.
The white one might go with it.
No, you wouldn't wear a white handbag with a white dress, really.
Okay. Would you go
Really?
for like a pastel pink?
Yeah, that's quite cute.
That matches.
Yeah, I think this outfit's okay until I've tried it on.
I know it's okay.
For now,
So I got it.
I think this outfit could be cute.
Last one.
Last one.
Last one.
Let's see how you've
And
done.
I know you're gonna like this. Yeah, it's different.
This looks very Chinesey for some reason. It's a black dress with little gold leaves on. It's got high neck and short sleeves. Is this long? How long is this?
It's long.
It's long.
Longish.
Okay.
Little gold necklace to go with it.
You probably wouldn't put a gold
That's
necklace.
not bad, haven't it? I'm very good at that.
Oh no, some of the things I like. I just don't
You
think
could probably mix and match an outfit from everything I've got.
Yeah.
separately.
I just don't think you'd really put a little tiny chain over this because you wouldn't see it necessarily. Do you want to just put that to one side for me? Are they bad shoes?
No, these are good ones. These are the best of the bunch.
Ooh, fancy. God, I hate shoes like this.
Oh my god! I'm going. I'm not doing this again. You've done it. I'm not doing this again. I can't be bothered. Everything's wrong. The thing is, Asos, there's too much choice.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm just not the biggest fan of this style of shoe. Yeah, that's nice.
That's what I was looking at.
Yeah, I like this strap.
So
I don't
didn't
like
think of the
this.
whole shoe.
Well, think of the whole shoe when you buy shoes. I don't like this little strap across my foot. Other people look great in it. I don't like my feet very much, so. Okay, so they go quite well. All right, apart from the fact, gold leaf, silver gems.
No go.
You're so cute. I love you so.
You can't really see it, but you keep, when you're spraying your shampoo, you get it all over your face. You got black on the side of your face, don't you know?
No,
You got like
that's called bronzer.
Oh.
Okay.
That's good.
Right. Yeah.
That's nice.
No, okay, it's not awful, but I said casual. Would you see me on the beach wearing this?
I would,
like
yeah.
some heels down
Just
the
chilling
beach.
out. Just chilling out.
just going down the beach for the day.
Okay, maybe
in
the
my high
shoes.
heels.
The shoes are a bad move. I'm not good with shoes. Next time we're just scrapping shoes in the menu.
We'll keep the playsuit. I just didn't like the colour palette when I was holding it up, but now it's on. It's quite nice. I like the handbag. I just feel like that looks like the back of a handbag, but it's not. So
all right.
maybe send the handbag back. Playsuit's cute. The shoes don't fully fit my feet. Shoes don't fully fit my fat feet. And the bracelet I'll keep because the bracelet's cute as well.
50%.
Yeah, so what would you rate your outfit?
I'd say 10 out of 10.
I think it all matches. I think it looks quite cute.
It's good.
I just don't think it fits the I'm going down the beach vibe that I was going for.
Listen.
But as an outfit, I'd wear this out. I'd happily leave the house now.
Okay. See you later then.
Okay, go.
That's well better. I've
Do you
done well
like it?
there.
Do you like it?
That's really nice.
It's very tight.
Is it?
Yeah.
It looks like it's meant to be fitted. So that's a daytime
Oh,
one, that,
it's
isn't it?
so tight.
Well, then,
Like here, it's
Yeah.
like, wait, let me. That's as far as I can
Can
go.
you stretch it?
You think of it.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Would you go out with me like this?
Yeah.
Yeah? I think it's pretty cute, this outfit. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Pow! That's good!
You can see my bra!
Yeah, just don't wear a bra.
What, so it's just an underboob?
Yeah.
No!
Well,
You
shut-
cannot see how fluorescent this is on camera.
No, it
It-
looks like...
It looks
beige,
like
doesn't it?
pastel orange. In real life, this is pretty much like a highlighter.
That-
Maybe, there we go, if I pull it down a bit.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, but it just feels like if I shrug my shoulders and I don't have a boob.
Don't shrug your shoulders.
No, if I shrug my shoulders,
Don't get confused about anything.
so I don't wear a bra. But then when I shrug my shoulders, my boobs will fall out.
Just don't shrug your shoulders. How's that hard?
Okay. Oh, thank you, sir, for getting me a drink.
Don't do that either.
Oh, hi, Julie.
No, don't
Oh.
do that. Go. Alright.
I can't keep my
I'll
arms
just
down.
do this.
Hi, Julie.
In fact, you see girls doing that, that's probably why. Isn't it?
This is stupid. I'm lost. I'm confused.
I'm lost.
I don't understand. My foot is in, so now we're just going to attempt to zip this up. You know, when
That's
you
fashion though, isn't it?
get around your friend's house and they're like, "Oh, take your shoes off." I'll leave it.
Yeah,
Ah. Okay, we're on.
Back stupid. Like Iron Man or something.
Okay, but the front of them I quite like.
It could.
They were just a lot to get on.
You need a bit of vision.
That was
I've
a
got
lot.
the vision.
That was a lot of maintenance for that, just to get those on. So I would have put the other one on, but this one took about 5 minutes, so it's not happening. Okay, I've only put one shoe on because it was a little bit of a struggle. So got one shoe. Nick, you ready?
Boom. Like it. I
Yeah.
like it. That's
It's not
festival.
bad.
That's a festival
It's
kind
not
of wear,
bad
isn't it?
at all, is it?
That is, you'd wear that to a festival or something, yeah. I think that's good. The shoes
There is
are
a
a bit.
chance I'd wear the shoes. They're a little bit out there,
They are out there.
but they're not horrible.
They're not terrible, are
When
they?
you hold them up, they look a bit ridiculous. Like, they look
You
a
see,
bit mental.
it's the vision.
Nice
What are the
on.
shorts? The shorts are nice too.
The shorts are nice, they're just way too small for me. Like,
Body.
I feel like I've got a food baby that's about to explode out of me. T-shirt I like. T-shirt I'm keeping. Sunglasses I'll probably keep. Shoes, I don't know.
Really?
I quite like them.
Really? I told you.
But I just don't go to festivals, so I feel like when would I ever wear them?
If you ever did though.
If I ever
You'd
did,
have
this is
something, wouldn't
probably
you?
what I would wear. Anyway, what would you rate this outfit?
Oh, 10. 10 out of 10 again.
10?
Yeah.
Okay, and go.
What more do you want? Come on, Jazz.
Do you
That's
like
nice.
it?
I really like it.
It's very soft. You can
How do you not like that?
I didn't say I didn't like it.
That's nice. And the shoe. What do you think of the shoes?
The shoes are nice.
I really like that.
Do you like it?
I really like
I
it.
think it's a cute outfit. With my little bag at the side. I actually think this might be my favourite outfit. I do like this quite a
All the
bit.
others got 10 out of 10.
Yeah, from you! I will just say the shoes are a little bit too small for my feet, but
Okay.
the outfit in general
That's
is quite
good, that.
nice. And this dress, I need to burp. Pardon me! This dress is actually so soft, feel it. Ah. Okay, I haven't put the shoes on because they don't fit my feet, but what do you think of the dress?
But I like it.
Yeah?
That's-
And what about when I do this?
That's fine. Why would you do that? Oh, it's a bum.
Well, that's fine, is it? I like it. No, I think it's quite a cute dress. It's just quite short. So if I do anything that requires my hands in the air, my bum is on show. So this will probably go back. But if you've got a little torso, if you're blessed with a little torso, than me, then you might fit in this dress and it might be really cute.
I like
so what would you give this dress? There's no outfit because the shoes are too small.
It would just go on the dress on its own.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
You can't give everything a 10 out of 10.
I think I've done well.
That's ridiculous.
Okay,
I think you did a lot better than I thought you did when I was opening
it looked
stuff.
bad, didn't it?
Yeah, when I was opening stuff, it didn't look good. But I think you did okay. You did okay. Let us know in the comments how you think Nick did. Let us know if you want to see another video with Nick, because we might be filming one. Yeah, we might be filming another one very, very soon. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy. Give it a thumbs up for me if you did, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.